5 unbelievable facts about butterflies. Number 1. Taste with their feet. Butterflies taste food and find the right plants to lay eggs on using sensors on their feet. Number 2. Transformers. Butterflies undergo a crazy transformation from caterpillar to winged adult through metamorphosis. Number 3. Flying colors. Butterflies see ultraviolet light and have iridescent scales that create their stunning colors. Number 4. Migration masters. Monarch butterflies migrate thousands of miles each year, navigating across continents. Number 5. Short lifespan, big impact. Most adult butterflies live just 4 weeks, yet they pollinate and add beauty to our world.